What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we made a total of $1,100 on UNH stock. This has been an excellent run so far. Trading strict risk management for this. We're up $69,732. If you look here on UNH, we are up almost over $26,000 trading them, and NVIDIA up over $17,000. Just look at this month gain so far of June. We're only halfway through. We're up 13,000. Let's look at the last 31 days. We were up 34,000. Year to date, we are crushing it so far. This is excellent for us, $69,732. I traded this dip. Let me just show you so you can get an idea of what I'm trading. I looked right here, traded this dip right at the open. It was, you can see the time up here, it was around 9:32 a.m. Bought this dip at 307.50. What you'll see is I bought RSI 7 on the 1 minute, which you can see right here highlighted, 7 on the 1 minute. And more importantly, you gotta watch your 5-minute RSI. Get that double confirmation when you're gonna make these buys and sells. 17 on the 5-minute, 12 on the 1 minute. Then we started just scalping that area, and it worked out really well. And it would have been bad if we would have held on to this trade. So it was a quick scalp. It had that nice bounce on the 1 minute to make it a little more clear, 307 all the way back up to retest VWAP, sold up above here, and then it failed, rejected VWAP. So we had a nice gain there. Just want to recap it. We're definitely going to be watching certain stocks. I want you to keep an eye on INTC, that is Intel stock. This needs to get above $21. If it doesn't get above $21, this is a problem. Intel has been struggling as of late and has multiple resistance touch points around this $21 per share. It's something that you need to be aware of if you're going to be trading this stock. Just watch out for this right here. This is a clear point of contention where we're having rejection, 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 and another rejection right there. Also, if you're trading UNH stock, we have to be aware that 300 is the line in the sand. If 300 gets broken on UNH, this stock is going to start selling off. I do think there's some scalps to be made on it, but right there is a point of contention. You have some rejection, 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 another rejection, multiple points. But what I like seeing about those rejections is here, in the past couple of days, you had turn rejection at 300 into support around 300 to 301. So definitely keep an eye on that. With the recent news of them making that settlement, it is starting to sell off from 318. But if I can get a buy opportunity around this $300 tomorrow, I'm definitely going to be trying to scalp it for some gains. So let's keep an eye on it, all right? All right, guys, if you've never seen my channel, I invite you to check out my free playlist. You can check it out right here. Click on playlist tab. You'll get a bunch of videos on the Robinhood platform, Fidelity Active Trader Pro, my day trading P&L 2025, where I'm up almost over $70,000. In 2024, my day trading P&L you'll see is around $80,000. So it only took me 6 months to reach the previous year's gains, which is excellent. Looking at the Fidelity Active Trader Pro, there's plenty on here. If you want to get a more inclusive experience, click on the membership tab. You can join Trading Elite, where you get access to my trading strategy using the 921 EMA. I break it down for you. I've recorded videos on it, mastering VWAP. There's a bunch on there. If you want to be fully included and be able to directly chat with me, you can definitely check out the link on the WAP. There's plenty of people within the community, and it's very helpful, and we all trade together, which is awesome. So definitely be sure to check that out. If you want to support the YouTube channel, just click on this link right here. And if you want to see me post my daily P&L, just look on Twitter. You got me right there. Click on that link. Please subscribe, follow me, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.